Aloha from the beautiful island of Maui. My name is Ray Chin, and I'm your real estate consultant for Maui and all points Hawaii. And this is your view from my new listing at the Kapalua Bay Villa, unit number 21G4. This beautiful condo offers 1 bedroom, 1 bath, spread across 1,066 square feet. And it's been completely renovated, right down to the expansion of the kitchen that, quite frankly, offers one of the finest ocean views one could expect from any kitchen in all of Maui. I kid you not. Please take a moment to view this property. You will love it. Isn't this a beautiful property? For more information on this or any other property in Hawaii, please contact me. It'll be a pleasure to serve. Aloha and mahalo.